Hey team, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to install Angular13 on your local computer. Let's do this. Let's make sure you have Node Package Manager installed. Open up a command window and type in the following command. Notice there's two ways to type this command, npm-v or npm -version. Now, if you don't have it installed, go to https node.js or env download it and install it on your local computer. Let's install the latest version of Angular on your local machine. Type in the command npm -g @ Angular/CLI. Then wait. We did it. 196 packages have been installed. Let's create our first Angular13 application. Notice we'll call it First App. Type the command at the prompt, then wait for routing. Yes. Let's select CSS as our style sheet style. Now it's just a waiting game, waiting for it to generate all the necessary files. It'll be done in a moment. We have a new command, ng --version. Notice that we're using 13.3.7. As you can see here, there are 17 commands in ng. You've already used several of them. This next command, ng-serve, will build and serve your app to a web browser. Then, rebuild your app on the fly each time a file is changed. So all you have to do is make a small change in the source code, save that file, and if that file contains changes, the ng-serve will build and deploy the source. And finally, the web browser will show you the updates. Now, all of this happens in mere seconds. Let's type in this command and let's view the generated website. That's pretty nice not having to type even a single line of code. What do we have here? A website using port 4955? Well, that confirms our install was successful. Now, in our next lessons, we're going to be looking at more parts of Angular. There's a lot to learn. Hopefully you stick around. And guess what? I'll see you back in my next video. Thanks, team. This video is all done. You should have 13 installed on your local computer. You should have been able to use the ability on the CLI to create a new project, then build it with a ng-serve and be able to display it inside of a web browser. Hopefully you enjoyed that whole process. Now, in our next coming videos, we're going to do even more. We're going to go deep into Angular. We're going to learn everything about Angular, but I'm going to do it in baby chunks. So just little videos, one thing, but a bunch of videos, and then you'll get it. Just come and look for the name that you're looking for. Like say you want some help on like ng4, there should be a video just on ng4. And then I'll show you how to use that thing completely. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll look forward to seeing you back in my next video. Have a great week.